Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is SANI and I am from group JLG1204C. And today I am going to recite the poem that I wrote titled Serenity of Nature for ALS 252 assessment. Before I start, I want to briefly introduce what the poem is about. So, Serenity of Nature is a 14-line sonnet poem. The reason I chose nature for the theme Serenity is because, for me, nature is the purest thing that left on earth, as it provides sources like food, water, and shelter for every living thing. And the thought of humans constantly evolving and tend to destroy nature, whereas they existed before humans, which is very cruel to me. So I wrote this poem to visualize the beauty and serenity of nature that engages all the senses, with the gentle rustling of leaves, the scent of beautiful flowers, and the sound of flowing water, which bring peace to our hearts. Now, I will recite the poem, and I will be taking all of you along with the journey. Serenity of Nature. The sun shines through the mountains like guardians of the sky, covered by snow on top of them, known to be untouched by time. The wind rises, flowing softly through the sky, painting the blue sky with clouds, signaling daytime. The green towering trees filled the forest below in silent grace. Filled with flowers that resembles colorful lantern lit with serenity. Cooling breeze whispers softly, filling the space, lifting different types of fragrance, floating blissfully. The waterfall pours down like liquid glass in forest deep, followed by the river, gliding to the sea. Surrounded by rocks and trees as they're asleep, as the river is filled with colorful fish swimming free. The serenity of nature needs to be cherished from the harm of humans that are cruel and selfish. No, nature is not just an environmental responsibility, but the foundation of human life. Imagine a peaceful village rich with greenery where children play under the shade of large green trees while farmers take their pride in their harvest. How peaceful would that be? However, as time passes, all of those were replaced by buildings, factories, which disrupting the natural balances and affecting future generations. So in my preference about this poem is, I think it is very important to spread awareness in order to protect nature and to avoid water and air pollution, ensuring a healthier planet and fight climate change. Now that is all for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much. Bye bye!